Welcome to the fourth session of Learn's 2-Minute Brochure Design Workshop Series. This 4-part series will show you how to create better brochures using the A-I-D-A principle. The first A in the A-I-D-A principle is for the cover, attention. The I is for interest. The first 2 pages have to generate interest. The inside pages have to sell your program, and the last A is for action. Getting the prospect to register. Make sure your registration information is positive and complete. Keep the page easy to read. Send readers to your website for details. Offer a liberal refund policy. This encourages registrations. Use graphics to highlight the ways to sign up. A registration form is a call to action. Use one even if most people sign up online. Don't try to collect too much information at registration. Keep your form simple so that it does not intimidate prospective participants. Did you know? Personalizing the registration process can increase enrollments? Having a liberal refund policy is a positive image maker that is rarely abused. Registration is the most stressful aspect of the customer experience. Keep it positive. Top and center, nothing says more about your program's commitment to the quality of what you're offering than a strong satisfaction guarantee. This registration information page has it all. The great features here include excellent illustrative graphics for registration options, brief text, credit card logos to make that option stand out, and full color. The questions option provides an easy way for people to get additional information.
Thank you for attending our 2-minute workshop. Check back soon. We have a bonus unit about designing the back cover of your brochure. In the meantime, lean on Learn whenever you need a hand. www.learn.org